Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be recording mainly for my friend right there, Frogster. Go subscribe.
Hey, come back.
He's cool. And
Come back.
basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be helping him kill every monster with a Hulk glove. That's his video. Go watch it. It's going to be cool.
There he is.
And you'll see
He's carrying a mimic.
me, Dirty, and his POV.
Come back.
I'm not afraid to use this.
Don't. I need to kill him.
You don't need to. You said killing every monster. It doesn't mean you have to.
Yes, bro. Shut up.
Okay, here he comes. He's here. He's here. He's
What
here.
the fuck? Kill it!
Got him. Ah!
Okay. Hit him. Yes, you got him.
Got him.
What do you mean I killed him?
Bro, idiot. Bro.
What do you mean I killed him? Bro, you're so dumb. Never hold them out like that, especially with a weapon that can explode it.
What do you mean? I killed him.
No, I
Bonk.
can do whatever I want, whenever I want.
Shut up, or else I'm going to block you again.
I'm going to rape you again.
Okay, man. Get our stuff, quick. Guys, here's this. Go, go.
Wait, no. We haven't gotten all of our stuff.
Yes, we have.
No, we haven't gotten our grapplers.
I didn't have my grappler.
Yeah, you did.
He had it
No.
out. He had it in his.
It's in my bag.
Well, I don't have mine.
Go get
Okay,
it.
go get it.
I don't know where it is. I can't see.
Hey, bring the light. We can't see. But with
Oh,
the spider,
spider's back.
I'll murder him.
What do you mean? I killed him.
Bro. There he is. Alright. Connor,
Are
go
you
get your
stupid?
stuff.
I don't even see spider. Oh. Ah!
Oh, yeah?
Why do he look like that?
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Kill it!
Can't even see where he is.
He's right there.
Let me stun you, big B.
Got him!
Okay,
Perfect!
aim the light.
Let's go. Right over
I
here.
look it. I see it.
Use the big
Shine!
flashlight.
Bro, more. Use big flashlight. That's true. Use it. Big flashlight.
No.
Use it. Yes!
You mean no? That won't help.
Come on, then let's just get out of here.
Connor, I'll buy you a new grappler. Come on.
Wait. Aim the flashlight over here.
Why?
I thought I found it.
Come on. Spiders respawn.
No, it was just,
Go
it was
with
just the
him.
mushrooms. It was
Go.
just the mushrooms.
Alright, come on then, let's go kill the next monster! Which one should we kill next? Angler?
Yeah, sure.
You wanna go, I have a flashbang, so which monster do you wanna
Bro,
shove a
we should probably
flashbang
go
into
down to
its face?
sewers and
Can I
kill
use a
those.
frying pan?
Owie.
Sorry.
What'd you say?
Can I use a frying pan?
Let's go down to sewers
what?
first.
Kill.
To kill what?
Yeah.
What do you wanna kill?
The cyst monster and the red light, green light.
That we need a gun. Well,
Well,
should
we
use a
just
gun.
not? Yeah, let's
let's just
not
not.
include the eyeball monster.
Yeah.
yeah, that thing more. I want kill chicken.
Alright, here's the plan. I'll use the flashbang on a red light, green light.
Okay.
I killed
Actually,
chicken.
no. Let's save flashbang for chicken.
Yeah.
Oh wait, while we're down here, let's go kill this guy.
Oh yeah.
No, I want to kill him.
No, stop! I need to kill him, bro. I need to kill him. I need to kill him.
Never said that you.
I said I'm going to kill him.
That kind of makes it unfair.
Come back here. Got him.
Ooh, gold bar.
Take all the stuff you want. I'm after that red light, green light.
Great.
How are we supposed to get past?
It's easy.
Just gotta touch it.
Get it. Thanks.
Yeah, I'll found it.
Oh look, a flash
Oh,
grenade.
what? Wait, is that a new? Oh, new flash grenade. Alright, hey, where's the bomb guy?
He went boom boom.
Damn it. I need to kill him. Alright then, let's just get out of here.
How do we get back to spawn?
Where's Grahog?
Well, you guys have grapplers. I can just pinch climb up.
I do not have a grappler.
Then pinch climb up.
It's really easy.
Hey yo!
Suck it dry. Suck it dry. I hate fat people.
How's everyone doing? Hope you guys are having a nice day. Well, today I'm recording this. It is Friday. How about you guys? I gotta reload. Up here. Everything.
No! Bro, I just fell all the way back down.
We'll drop you down. Do you just wanna? I'll drop you down 2 flares, okay? It's my bad.
No, I'm almost up.
No, alright, you're almost up. Okay.
I'm here.
Alright, just walk in the opposite direction of all the wires, and then you'll reload the place.
Yeah, I know.
Hey!
Huckster, come.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go kill anglerfish now.
Alright.
Come to VR play. No, we're going to kill anglerfish.
I know. Just like grab 2 helmets and put your head in one.
No.
Why?
It does something.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do. You're weird.
What do you mean that's fun?
This way.
No, I'm not gonna do that. If you do that, you get teleported outside of the map.
What?
But like you don't start fall. It was an accident. You don't start falling to your death. It's like a huge mountain and it leads you to the above layer of the map.
What are you talking about, bro? We're going to the forest.
I know. Hold up. Rockstar, come in here.
I don't want to.
No.
Just check, bro. It's lore.
No. Bro,
Oh my gosh.
this
Never
dude,
mind. They blocked it off.
just cut him from the team.
Yeah, I took Jay.
Ow, what the heck?
My bad.
Oh, let's go. You guys want to go kill Giant?
Sure.
Alright, I need
Hey,
you guys to hit him
Biggie!
with me. I need you guys to hit him with me.
No,
He
you
didn't get-
missed.
Do you guys... How are we supposed to get him? Stop hitting me! How do you guys want to get him?
He's after me.
I missed. Look out. No! Oh, he's eating me! No!
He's
No!
not eating you, he's throwing you. Run! Rock!
Oh my god.
I'm getting a flash.
Biggie's coming! He's coming up!
I'm coming.
You killed my friend!
Hold out. Try to get him a little low.
I just died.
You died? You died? It's okay, it's okay. Barrett, just try to distract him and get him low. I hate your ass. Alright, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Hey guys.
Fuck! Fuck!
Wait, I'm outside of the map. Oh,
Why
what?
is his arm like that?
Bro, how'd you miss again?
Go get another flash. And hold, boy.
Hot knee how, bitch.
No, not again! Yo!
We killed
Oh
him!
my god! We killed it.
No, you guys aren't supposed to do that. I told you
It's fine.
Bro, you're not just supposed
to
to
kill it. That makes it not fun.
Yeah, it doesn't make it fun because then we're just sitting around luring monsters.
Yeah. We'll just stop.
Yeah, we'll just stop recording if that's the thing that you want us to do.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, because it's not fun if we're just sitting here luring monsters the whole time.
We're trying to record the video. I can't just have you guys kill all the monsters.
That's why we have
We're
POVs.
not gonna kill all the monsters. We're gonna help you kill all the monsters.
But we can also kill some. You
already
already
killed
Yeah,
like the spider.
are, and that's
just get back over here, grab your stuff, and continue.
probably already respawned.
No.
Dude, this little kid. He does not understand that I'm rejecting his calls first.
I already got all my stuff.
What? Did we just duplicate?
Well, we gotta kill the giant again
back!
because I didn't do
He's
any
back,
damage.
he's back, he's back. Wait, use 2 whole gloves this time.
Alright.
Because you have the both of them.
You did damage, liar.
I didn't. I literally didn't hit him once.
Yes, you did. I literally saw
didn't.
you hit him.
I hit him twice.
Oh
Look
shit.
out, look out, look out. No!
Oh my
See,
god.
they're doing. My God! For fuck's sake!
He's coming. Bro, what the heck?
Don't kill him, don't kill him.
love with this kid is he's
We did not kill him. Hey,
Bro,
Dirty
he's
hell.
so fast. If you get captured, we can double we can double team him, and then if you guys just use other
He's
weapons,
gonna-
the video's
he's
not gonna
gonna
be that
kill him.
entertaining. He just got killed by.
Just use hands or
Nice.
whatever to kill it, and I don't do any damage.
Dude, you're just being a little. Bitch.
Okay, you know what?
Like-
Next. Next. Let's go. Come on.
Rick the
I
J.
can't do the next because I didn't even touch it once. I hit it twice.
Yes, you
and
did!
You literally hit
I
it.
hit it twice.
Bro, you know what? My
You hit it more than
headset's too low
twice.
for this. Literally, my headset's at 20%. If you guys are gonna keep
thought you said you were
arguing, I'm
lying
just gonna
earlier.
stop recording.
He said it was at 10, bro. He was lying not then, but we can't.
Fine, I'll just restart the video because it doesn't really
Bro.
run.
Of course. You know what?
Bro,
Next
I
time
gotta
you
kill
start the
the
video, I'm not helping.